Hey, hi everyone, Pratik here. So today is 25th, no, today is 5th of July 2026. So yeah, let's just discuss this video on three particular pointers. Firstly, how was my mock and how did I plan for it? Secondly, how are my studies going on? And thirdly, what's the plan next? So yeah, let's discuss on how did I plan for my mock. So on 29th, I decided to give my first mock of financial reporting by actually revising things. I took around 1.5 months to completely revise and complete my financial reporting with articleship. So I used to mostly study on Saturday Sundays. So ideally I completed it in 15 to 16 days. Yeah. So nextly, my I I actually plan to give my financial reporting first mock on 29th and second mock on 6th. So this was actual plan, but the plan actually didn't work, and I lagged behind. I was procrastinating very strongly. I was not able to study for few days, and I tried to identify reason, and the reason was resonating with what I did in my inter. So I used in my inter also I took 4 attempts to clear, and the main reason is procrastination. I know that I wanted to study, but the thing is I was not able to study. I was not able to start. So that's the particular thing. So it's been 7 to 10 days that I have not ideally effectively studied the way I was used to study 15-20 days ago. So yeah, but it's good that I gave my mock today and I got a good reality check. I actually set for exam without even revising the things. So whatever I revised earlier, I just sat and I just started writing. Just made 3 hours of clock and I started writing. And I don't know how much will I score, but I think I would score 15 to 20 marks. I think 15 to 20, 25 marks, or even less. I don't know. I have not even calculated, and every question was familiar. Every question was familiar. Every question was like I have solved this, but I was not able to recollect how to answer that. So yeah. So tomorrow is 6th July, and I would be writing again my mock of FR, second mock. So yeah, this is the plan. And nextly, I would like to tell that I did procrastinate a lot, but I don't have to procrastinate because my mom and dad wants their child to be successful. Every mom and dad want their child to be successful, but mine is very personal. I actually want to I actually want to win. I actually want to be successful at a bit early so that I can support my parents, and that's the actual reality for everything I'm doing. And I would not be wasting any time from now. Uh, there is one saying that you should forget what happened in past and you must focus on the present. You can't change your past. You can't work on your future. But what the best thing you can do is you can work on your present. So yeah. The second part of the video is what are my next this July month plan. So in July month, what I'm planning is tomorrow would be my last day of doing FR. So I would be revising FR for some time, and I will be writing mock of it. So this is the one major thing. I would be completing my FR. From next day, I have missed my DT classes. For 2 to 3 days, I would be completing my DT classes. By Vijay Sada sir, he is actually very good teacher. So next, I would be starting with AFM, and I would be completing it in July month itself. So this is the actual plan of my study. So from August month, let's see, we'll do something great, and we can actually focus on our studies in a better way. Because my articleship would end on 31st July, and from 1st August, we can have a very good kick. I would not say a very good start because we already have a very good start, but I can say we will have a very good thrust. from 1st August. So yeah, this was the whole video. Thank you so much guys. Take care.